Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nathina Antoinette. Be sure to go ahead and click the subscribe button because your girl is almost at 10K. I'm so excited. Thank you, for everyone who has already been supporting y'all at thebomb.com. So anyway, let's get into this wig. I feel like I definitely should have tinted this lace because it's a little light. In my bathroom light, it doesn't look bad, and I didn't notice that. The first, I've worn this I've worn this twice already, just to test it out before I did the permanent and the bleach dye up there. So let me tell y'all what happened last night. I was being cute, or thought I was being cute, and I was just playing around with the hair and stuff. And as I was doing that, I was wet because you dropped it in the toilet. As I was doing that, my hair kind of got stuck to the glue. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I was in a rush earlier when I attempted to style my hair. So I'm just gonna do a quick something. So y'all can get this good review. All right, so this hair, this is the wig that y'all see me make in my previous video. If you missed it, I will link that in the description. I colored this hair, and that will be in another video as well. And after I post it, I will put that in the description. So what I did with this hair, of course I let the kids play with it before I colored it and before I turned it into a wig. I just had to make sure I could give you guys a full rundown, a full review. After all that this hair has went through, it is still very, very soft. I have washed it, I have blow dried it. I have blown it dry. How do you say that? I have put the heat to it. I have not straightened it though. So I'm not sure how well this hair straightens because I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna straighten it. I might possibly straighten it at some point, but as I've told you guys before, I have to have big hair now because I can't really get away with having straight hair as much now because my locks. So if I smooth it, all of that is just chunky locks or whatever. So all of my locks are pulled back and just kind of stuffed or whatever. So I have to have see, Those are all my locks in there. And I just kind of stuff them up and tuck my wig down. I might straighten this hair, but for me, this is good enough. The wave pattern, I don't feel like it changed, because I mean, this is pretty much how it was before. I did brush this hair out after it was wet. The wave pattern in the frontal stayed A1. The ends, I have, like, you know, I went through and I shaved the ends or whatever. So those are perfectly fine. But yeah, so I mean, bruh, this hair is bomb. Did I tell y'all it's from UNice? It's from UNice. I ordered it from their Amazon, which I will put the coupon code that they have and a direct link to their Amazon site and all of the information about this hair into the description. So yes, I will make these wigs for you. If you want it colored, that's something completely different. You would actually have to, you know, send me a message, tell me you want it colored. But as far as just the wig cap itself, bleaching the knots and doing the hairline, I am going to do that. The link for that will be the link for that will be in the description. You could go to my my Divine Eye account where you could buy your customized body butters and black soap, and that's where you'll be able to purchase these. That's just the easiest method for me because payments are already set up for that site. It's a big cartel site. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm in love. This is exactly what I needed for the summer. I've been missing bundles. Like, yeah, so I like it. What do you guys think? You like it? You like this hair? I think it's thebomb.com. It's so soft. If you want to see like the initial review, that is with me making the wig, like the unpackaging, making sure the hair didn't smell. You know how some of them have that weird smell or whatever. This one didn't have that. So if you want to see that stuff, go to the video of me making this wig. But it colors nice. It took bleach well. It took the permanent color well. It handled the toddlers well, because you know they get into some stuff, honey. You know, Blythe will take her finger and, you know, swirl it, trying to curl it, and it's been lasting. So far so good. I'm very happy with this. This was a good purchase, and it was not very expensive at all. Her hair stuck to my glass. It was affordable. I'm all about that budget life right now. So, you know, I've been loving Amazon hair. UNice. I'm happy with this hair. I will probably order from them again. It hasn't been nesting or anything in the back. See? It's been perfectly fine. I've slept in this hair. I definitely recommend buying it, you guys. So, I don't know how many times I could say, go ahead and buy this hair. But go ahead. You can trust me. I got you. I got you. I'm not going to steer you wrong. I'm not going to steer you wrong, boo. If you want to order, make sure you go to the just, yeah, do that or whatever. Be sure to follow me on my Instagram at Nathina Antoinette, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.